Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn on feed reminders for saved items in Facebook using your PC. By enabling this feature, you can receive timely reminders about your saved items and stay updated. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Saved. This will take you to the Saved Items section. Step 3. Click on the gear icon located near the top right corner to open the Reminders settings. Step 4. In the Reminders settings, locate the switch next to Feed Reminders and toggle it on. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on feed reminders for saved items in Facebook on your PC. Stay informed and never miss out on important updates related to your saved items. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy a more organized and personalized Facebook experience using your PC.